She doesn't like the snow, that's for sure.
She's sniffing though.
I want to get some pictures of everything else around us, okay?
Yeah.
All these people cleaning out their cars. It zooms in really well, but zoom out doesn't zoom out very far. Zoom in though is great. It's today, 20th.
Yeah, I think so.
Wind's picking up now. Jennifer the Hooch.
I'm in the sun, unfortunately.
Okay.
Everyone's digging out.
There's our car halfway dug out. Trying to get the neighbors down the street there. So, we got 22 inches.
Y'all done?
You should be the narrator. I hate my voice. Tell everyone how much snow we got.
22. It's a big one. That's what she said.
That's what she said.